Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Sorry for missing the Ghostbusters update last week. Sadly, I had no parts, but they've come in now, and we're gonna keep on moving. We're gonna begin issue 32 right here. We have a whole bunch of parts, starting with stage 119. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got and go from there. And here are the parts we get with stage 119. Not much here. We've got the rear ceiling panel. That is quite large. We have partition wall rear panel. We have some stickers. We have the left and right speakers. There is a little R on this. I don't know if that's coming through. A little R on this and a little L on this one, so you can tell which is which, and some screws. All right, we're gonna kick this off with the easy bit here. We're gonna take the rear partition wall here. You can tell this is the back side. It's got all the little divots and whatnot. This would be the visible side, and we're gonna start with the left, and of course I picked up the right, so the left speaker. And if you take a real close look, it is not focusing at all. Well, it's hard to show here, but there is a little tab on that screw post. So it can really only go one way. That's gonna go up here, just like that. And we're gonna fix it from the back with a QP screw. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the right speaker over here. All right, and there we go. And that is going to be it for this partition for right now. So let's move on to the ceiling panel. Okay, for this next bit, I've actually got the body here resting on a couple of dumbbells that I had to keep it elevated. But we've got our ceiling panel here. You can see the interior of the ceiling. We're basically just going to slide this thing in. You can see there are posts here, and a few others down in this area. All of that stuff is going to line up just right. I'm going to pop this puppy in. There we go. Nice. And it lines up great. And here, and here, there are some screw holes. And we're going to be putting EM screws in all 4 of them. And there we go, fully assembled. And with that done, along with our little plate there, divider plate, these stickers will not be used, and we are done with stage 119. Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see what comes next. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.